Well, if you are interested in increasing the number of subscribers from 1000 to a higher number or double the number, then this is the video that you need to watch till the end, because I'll be sharing some of the valuable tips that I have followed in order to increase or double the number in no time. The really hard part for content creators is to get those initial number of subscribers, and the first 1000 subscribers is the toughest, I can say. But once you reach the 1000 subscribers, how do you proceed further in order to double it or increase the number of subscribers? Well, it took a few years for me to reach the first 1000 subscribers, but just to double that number, it hardly took 1/4 or 1/5 of that time. Well, let's begin with the countdown, and here is the first one from last, and that is to create a playlist. Where there are a number of channels where they have mentioned you to create playlist. It's even mentioned in the YouTube Academy. But there is one thing that you need to remember. It is not just about creating playlist. You need to add a number of videos over there with the series, just like how you have the Netflix series and Amazon Prime series. It's good to mention the episode 1, 2, 3 so that people get to know where they are, and there are other episodes coming up. So it's always good to have a series kind of episode that you're going to publish, because it will look more like a TV episode for them, so that viewers will come back and watch more of your videos. So have this playlist and number that accordingly. Usually keep that number at the end of your title. That's one thing that I've been following. You can check the card above where I have mentioned in the playlist with the series starting from season 1, 2, 3 and episode 1, 2, 3 and that. So you can follow the same in your playlist, because that will help the viewer in identifying which is that video that you need to watch next, thereby increasing the watch time and also increasing the recommendation and later on more subscribers. The next point is to be consistent. This has happened in my own case, where I've been publishing videos for 3 months and then I just kept quiet for a few months time, and I've been receiving comments asking me where were you all this while, and for a number of reasons I did not publish it regularly, and then I've been asked by my own subscribers saying, okay, you appeared all of a sudden now. So this is something that is a bit odd. It's always good to find a balance as to how many videos you can upload in a week. Well, initially you'll have few ideas and you'll come up with publishing 3 videos a week or 2 videos a week, but then try to maintain that balance. Is it possible for you to consistently upload 2 videos a week for the next 1 year or 2 years? Think about that, think about long term, and then decide on how frequently you want to publish. So the next point is to make good use of the end cards and also the card above. So you will find these cards where you can ask your viewers to click over there and then go to the next video. After publishing the video, you can see the audio retention rate, and wherever there is a dip, you can add this card here so that people can directly move on to that next video instead of moving out of your video to some other video. So thereby you are sending your viewer to skip this video and move on to the next video. It's always good to have this card somewhere at the end of the video instead of having it at the beginning of the video, because you don't want your viewers to move out right in the beginning of the video. So it's good to have these cards at the end, and make sure to update these old videos with the card pointing to the latest videos. We usually do not even bother to look into the old videos. That should not be the case. Well, the next point is to update the playlist that you have already created. We usually do not think about the old playlist that we have created. And it's important for you to not just make it as a series, but then in addition you have to add the keyword and description. Usually I've seen many of the playlists being empty and there is nothing mentioned in that. Well, I cannot guarantee how much of a traffic that you can get, but it's always good to have all the keywords that you have used in that series or the videos that you have got, and all the keywords that you have used in each of those videos to be added in the description and the subject line of the playlist. So the next point is to focus more on the quantity than on the quality. So initially the quality doesn't matter much. Even if you're recording using your mobile device, that's perfectly fine. Make sure that the video is not too shaky or it is not so crappy that people cannot watch it. As a new content creator, or with those people who are having less than 1,000 subscribers, or even for those with less than 10,000 subscribers, it's always good to have more videos, because say for example, if I am a viewer and if I am watching your video, and YouTube algorithm will recommend another video of yours, but if there are no videos over there for the YouTube algorithm to recommend your video, then YouTube cannot recommend your video, so it will instead recommend someone else's video. So make sure that you have n number of videos. So this is where it's always good to have more quantity than focusing more on quality during your initial upload. So once you have enough number of subscribers, you can bring down the frequency of uploading and focus more on the quality. The next thing that you need to focus on, especially those with the first 100 or 200 or 500 subscribers, I've seen so many of them commenting saying, subscribe to my channel, even I will be following your channel. Stop doing this sub to sub, because it's against YouTube policies, and that will not take you anywhere, because these subscribers who will subscribe to your channel, they will not even bother to watch even any of your video. So organically growing traffic on your channel will make sure that those subscribers are genuine subscribers and they watch your videos, thereby increasing the watch time and also the recommendation and lot many things. So it's always good not to go for sub to sub, because it's against the company YouTube policy. Well, the next thing that helped me grow on YouTube channel was to comment or be the first person to comment on a YouTube video. Say for example, if there is a video uploaded by some popular channel, be the first one to comment over there. And not just that, even if you are late, that's perfectly fine. Reply to others' comments. So always having the genuine comment is good, because it should not look like a spam comment, because people can always mark it as spam. So make sure that the comments that you leave are genuine comments and not something like a bot comment. So I keep getting these bot comments which doesn't make sense at all. I just mark it as spam. At least 1% or 10% of the people will look into your channel, and make sure that the homepage of the channel is customized. So coming to this point now, where you can customize your homepage, where your new viewers will get to see a particular video that you have opted for. And the next thing is to have a separate video who have already subscribed to your channel or who are returning viewers to your channel. So those guys get to see some of the videos. So you can customize, you can go to YouTube Studio and customize your homepage. Well, the next point is to make sure that you are an active member in your own community tab, because there is something called community tab that you get access to once you have the first 1,000 subscribers. And this is where you can interact with your subscribers in order for you to get more views from your subscribers. You get access to this community tab only after having the first 1,000 subscribers. So this is the best place where you can share all of your old videos in the community and ask the community team members different questions that you like. You can have polls, because polls are the ones that perform the best in community when compared to anything. And also YouTube has made an announcement recently that you can upload 5 photos in one go. It's not just one photo. So you can leave an annotation and mark another YouTube channel over there, or you can leave a poll, and you can even comment on others. And this is the best place for you to interact with your community members and make it look as though you're communicating with your family members. So that's how you can grow views from your own subscribers. Here is a YouTube travel setup that I use, and you can check this card over here. And also I've made other videos on YouTube which you can check over here. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on that bell icon, because I'll be sharing many more videos of this kind. Cheers.